Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to send 360-degree photos without losing quality or being cropped in WhatsApp. If you've ever tried to send a 360-degree photo in WhatsApp, you might have noticed that it gets compressed or cropped, which can affect the quality of the photo. But there's a simple workaround that can help you send 360-degree photos without losing quality or being cropped. Here's how to do it. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to send the 360-degree photo. Instead of sharing the file as a picture or a photo, share it as a document. To do so, tap on the paperclip icon and then select Document. Next, tap on View Other Documents to browse your way through to the 360-degree photo you want to send. Once you've selected the photo, tap on the paper airplane icon to send it. The photo will now be sent as a file without compression or quality loss. And that's it. By sending the 360-degree photo as a document, you can ensure that it is sent without losing quality or being cropped. Sending 360-degree photos without losing quality or being cropped is a great way to share your photos with friends and family. It's also helpful if you're a professional photographer or use 360-degree photos for work. In conclusion, sending 360-degree photos without losing quality or being cropped in WhatsApp is a simple process that can be completed in just a few taps. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks for your favorite apps and devices. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.